With the wing back on, you can actually kind of see the difference. Plus, you can see the difference between the polished paint and the unpolished paint. Alright, so today we are trying to remove some harsh water spots that were left over from this car sitting. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but you can kind of see the straight line that runs right across the trunk. Kind of see it right there. It's from the water dripping off the wing. There we go. Now you can actually kind of see it better. But today we're going to be testing out Mr. Sam's water spot remover to see if that makes this line go away. And then we're going to polish this up and make it look nice. But let's give this a go. Now the directions of use says to wipe it on with a foam applicator. I have one here because it came with one, in a circular motion, allow to penetrate for 2 minutes, then rinse well with fresh water or a wet rag. Mr. Sam ships his products with a nice removable seal. I'll apply it as directed. Or not. What is going on here? There's still a foil seal on here too. Jeez. Mr. Sam doesn't want his product to leak. Now it's a yellowish gel, if you can kind of see it there. I'm going to go ahead and apply it in said circular motion. And hopefully we can see this work before our very eyes. We need to let it sit for 2 minutes. We'll set 2 minutes. On the timer, and we'll go ahead and wipe it down. Now that that is all wiped down and wiped off, it is gone. That line is gone. And to prove it, here's where I did not apply it. So you know what? Mr. Sam, all I gotta say is your water spot remover works. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply it on the rest of the water spots on this trunk here. Then I'm gonna give this a polish and we're gonna see how it looks. Just like that, Mr. Sam, my stubborn water spots, or water strip I should say, is no longer existent in it. That's such a great product. I'm going to be using it on any other water spot issues I have. But Mr. Sam, you get a thumbs up from Dan the Man, because this is one heck of a product. I plan on doing more of testing on some of Mr. Sam's products, so if you guys are interested in that, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.